Today, we are with Epic member Phix. Now tell me about Phix. You characterize photonic integrated circuits. Do I understand that correctly?
Yes, we do the packaging of photonic integrated circuits so that our customers can actually do the full characterization. But they first need to have fibers attached, they need to have wires attached, and then they can power up the chips and characterize them.
Wait, so if I'm a researcher designing my own photonic integrated circuit, you're telling me that I can come to Phix and you can help me with prototype packaging, but also volume packaging? You mean
Yes.
I can learn how to get my prototype packaged and also learn how to scale for mass production at the same place?
Yes, we do both. So we learned the hard way. You first need to do prototypes for MPW runs, and then you scale up to volume production. So we help our customers in the prototyping phase and provide them with guidelines for contract manufacturing later on. So it's designed for manufacturing.
I swear this is only in Europe where a researcher can actually design a photonic integrated circuit, go to an MPW, multi-project wafer, and then actually get their thing packaged by Phix. And then you're able to tell me not only how to package, how to scale for mass production.
Correct.
This is simply amazing. Epic members drive the photonics revolution.